How is it going, everyone? It is day 15 of Fish and Tackle Advent. This is going to be the last video at this location, but come back again bright and early tomorrow. We'll be right back at the main location, hopefully with Kyrie and the Christmas tree in the video, but we'll definitely be back there. But let's not delay it. Let's get into day 15 on this Fish and Tackle Advent calendar and see what we have. It's the 15th day. It's a little guy. La la la. Okay. So we got just your sort of standard metal lure, but again, we'll take it out of the bag so you can see really good eye detail on these. I gotta give this set some credit where it's due. The eye detail is really good. Alright, so that's obviously gonna go in our lure tackle box. Let's just go ahead and pull that one right on out. And I think it can just hang out with the wood guy. It's getting pretty full, guys. Got a lot of really good lures built up in there now. And with that, another video is done. But again, come back tomorrow. We'll be back at our main location. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.